In this video, I'm going to be philosophizing on vocab. Vocab allowances easier access to knowledge concerning one's vocabulary, well-defined analytic terms combined into the analytic phraseologies. One can easier access knowledge to one's objectives in meaningful communication concerning one's logical thinking, current to future oriented, developed from prior existing facts. One elaborates complexities of the mind to be able to communicate meaningfully, effectively on one's psychological needs, cultivated to be able to engage and communicate on one's desires in association with one's psychological wants, combinative of the specific satisfied psychological needs in association with one's meaningful pursuits to their desires associated from the cultivation of one's psychological wants, connected to one's positive, meaningful emotions and optimisms only once satisfied psychological needs, allowance for more optimism and positivities to be cultivated within easier to access verbiage from one's vocabs. And vocabs are the various knowledge one has concerned with the theories of knowledge all analytic terms derive, and one's vocab allowances for one to derive meaningfulness from specific theories of knowledge one has engaged prior meaningful learning to be able to storage and retrieve the consolidations as well to the reconsolidations from the preliminary instantiation and or substantiation processes, which are distinct, to which one engaging in direct perception, absorptions within learning experiences, often is engaging within the substantiation as it concerns the imitation of the meaningfulness encoded into memories associated with specific units of analysis. Code is derived from meaning interpretations, which the unique properties concerning the analytic meaning interpretations instantiate meaningful information within the consolidations of memory, whereas the substantiated processes derived from prior existing experiences, allowance for the reconsolidation and consolidations of memory to be able to allowance for easier access to knowledge. One can engage more original thinking that is a hallmarker of the instantiation process, allowancing for originality to develop in association with the consolidations and reconsolidations of creative thinking processes that's current to future oriented and elaborates from the prior existing meaning interpretations. One can infer meaningfully in association with their vocabs. Vocabs are combined theories of knowledge which allow an individual to think across different situations and internal and or external conditions, which can allow it for more meaningful conduct in a specific direction of meaningful effect concerning specific objectives, as well as the various conditions and or situations an individual may experience in association to B and D and X, cause effet dynamique associations, which one is more concerned with meaningfully inferring X, as X tends to concern the verbiage of one's communications. One's interested in doably doing in association with one's meaningful desired effects of communication. So all I want to say for this video, hope you have an awesome one. Keep developing this up.